Thermax has been operating in Dubai for more than 25 years. From Dubai, we are catering to UAE, Saudi, Egypt, and more than 15 countries in this geography. We have a dedicated team of 20 engineers backed up by strong channel networks across all these countries. This ensures we are able to extend 24/7 support to our clients. We are also able to deliver our solutions from concept to design till commissioning on a turnkey basis. As sustainability is the need of the hour, Thermax aspires to be your trusted partner in this energy transition journey. Looking forward to hosting you at Gulfood for Manufacturing at our booth Zabil Hall 2 happening at World Trade Center, Dubai.